So the main things that stood out to me in this whole journey has been an improved confidence in my leadership abilities. So I had an understanding of what my capability and limitations were, but the 360 report helped me highlight my areas of strengths and areas I could definitely improve on going forward. And the main expectation that's been met for me has been mainly around being able to identify leadership styles and traits, both in myself and in colleagues who work with me within the department. I have taken on more leadership styles, so it was identified in my 360 report that I had a more pace-setting, directive style of leadership, and I have now taken on a more coaching, affiliative, and visionary style of leadership. So what I tend to do now is apply each leadership style as appropriate when required. It's totally turned the department around. Staff are much more happier, they feel more involved, people are taking more ownership, and it's been all around a positive experience.